The DAC Output Voltage Interactive Calculator helps you determine output voltages and digital codes for digital to analog converters in various operating modes. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Unipolar DAC Output Voltage, Bipolar DAC Output Voltage, digital code from desired voltage, DAC resolution and LSB value, full transfer function analysis, or DAC with offset and gain error. For this demonstration, I'll use Unipolar DAC Output Voltage. The calculator requires several inputs. Enter your digital input code, resolution in bits, reference voltage in volts, and offset voltage in volts. Each calculation mode has its own set of required parameters. Let me work through an example. I'll input a digital input code of 2048, resolution of 12 bits, reference voltage of 3.3 volts, and offset voltage of 10 volts. After clicking Calculate, the results show your DAC's output voltage based on these parameters. The calculator determines how your digital code translates to an analog voltage, accounting for your reference voltage and any offset you've specified. This helps you verify your DAC design meets your system requirements. Find the link in the description below.